Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer Polkadot from Bitmart to Bitrue in 2025. If you're looking to move your DOT tokens for better security, lower fees, or just portfolio management, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Polkadot is a popular blockchain project, and transferring assets between exchanges like Bitmart and Bitrue is a common task, but it's crucial to do it right to avoid any hiccups. First things first, before we jump in, make sure you have a few essentials ready. You'll need verified accounts on both Bitmart and Bitrue, some Polkadot DOT tokens in your Bitmart wallet, and a stable internet connection. Also, double-check that you've enabled two-factor authentication on both platforms for added security. It's 2025, after all, and safety first. Let's get to the steps. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account and head over to the Wallets or Assets section. Find your Polkadot balance and click on Withdraw. Step 2. Select the Polkadot network. Make sure it's the correct one, like the Polkadot mainnet, to prevent any transfer issues. Enter your Bitrue wallet address, which you can find by logging into Bitrue and going to your wallet deposit page. Double-check this address. One wrong character could mean lost funds. Step 3. Input the amount of DOT you want to transfer, keeping in mind any withdrawal fees. Bitmart might charge a small amount, so check that first. Review the details, confirm the transaction, and hit submit. You'll get a confirmation email or notification. Step 4. Now, switch to Bitrue. Go to the deposit section, select Polkadot, and paste the same wallet address if needed for verification. The transfer should show up in your Bitrue wallet within 10 to 30 minutes, depending on network congestion. A quick tip. Always monitor the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Polkadot's official site to track its status. If something goes wrong, contact the exchange support immediately. And remember, in 2025, with evolving crypto regulations, ensure you're compliant with any KYC requirements. There you have it. That's how you transfer Polkadot from Bitmart to Bitrue. It's straightforward once you follow these steps, and you'll be managing your crypto like a pro. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.